In front of me is Poco X7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on this gear at the top right corner to adjust all available settings. Then go back to use this red button at the bottom and hit Allow in all available pop-ups to start recording. As you can see, recorder is on. To pause it or unpause it, click on left button. To add a bookmark, click on the right one. And to end it and save it, on the middle one. Now to play it, click on it, hit Allow. And to manage it, use all of those options and click on those dots at the top right corner to access those. You can also just hold it on the list and, for example, rename it by clicking on Rename here. Then choose OK to save your changes. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!